enabling viral power tools in your website. Congratulations on your newly created viral website. You got through all the initial steps: installing and setting up your website with WordPress, installing a cool, fully functional viral theme, learned about plugins, and which are the best ones available to be used on a viral website created with WordPress. In this video, we have decided to give you a helping hand and guide you through the process of setting up viral power tools that your website needs to keep the eyeballs of visitors engaged and the quality traffic coming. We're going to use tools that focus on two key attributes of a viral website: website optimization for search engines and social engagement. These tools are easy to implement and use, and you won't need to write code or do complex technical stuff. Just use the following steps to enable these viral power tools in your website. Website optimization for search engines. You'll need to optimize both your website and your content to rank appropriately in search engine results. We're going to show you a tool that you can use on your WordPress website to rank higher and get indexed by search engines such as Google and Bing. Yoast SEO. The first tool in our arsenal is the Yoast SEO plugin. It's a fully fledged search engine optimization tool for your viral website. This plugin will allow you to optimize your content on the go, giving you insights on how to write the best titles, meta descriptions, and content to be properly ranked on search engine results. Just head to the Plugins tab in your dashboard, click on Add New, search for the plugin using the Yoast SEO keyword, click on Install Now, and then on Activate. Once you install this plugin, you can go to the SEO tab on your left to leverage its power. Click on Dashboard to enter the plugin's configuration panel. There are two important tabs to check the first time you use it. First, go to Your Info. There you'll have to enter a website name that will appear when your content is shown in search engine results pages. We recommend you enter the name of your website, plus a brief description separated by a hyphen. Below you can specify if your site operates as a company or as a person. Once you're done, click on Save Changes. Now, go to the Webmaster Tools tab. There you'll be able to verify your site on the most popular search engines without much hassle. Just follow the link to each of your Webmaster Tools accounts, sign in, and follow the instructions. Finally, don't forget to familiarize yourself with the rest of the optimization options available from this tool, such as social media integration and XML sitemaps. Social engagement. You need to make engagement and sharing an easy task for your viral website visitors, and these might just be the right power tools for you. Shareaholic. The Shareaholic plugin is a tool that will optimize your viral website to get tons of social media shares. Just look it up using the Add New feature in the Plugins tab. Use the Shareaholic keyword to find it. Click on Install and then Activate. To start getting all those shares and comments, simply go to the Shareaholic tab in your dashboard. There you'll be able to configure related and promoted content, share buttons, and monetization. For the purposes of this training, we will only configure share buttons and will leave the other options as they came. You want people to share your viral content, so you'll have to check the Above Content and the Below Content boxes in the Post sections. Uncheck all the other ones and click on Save Changes. Facebook comments. Most people will likely see your viral content when connected to Facebook, so having a Facebook comments box in your site is as resourceful as having all those social sharing buttons, which brings us to our last tool. Look up, install, and activate the Facebook Comments plugin from your dashboard. That's it. You now have a Facebook comments box for each viral post in your viral site. You can configure your Facebook comments box by going to Plugins, clicking on Installed Plugins, and then on the Settings button located under the plugin name. That's all for now, but stay with us and see how you can find viral content to get inspired before you create your first viral posts.